our hood, we're going to take a look at some of the hail damaged vehicles in Del Rio, including a very special one that is a Chevy Camaro with a custom hood that we're going to be repairing as well. Today we're looking at this black Chevy Camaro that came in from Del Rio. It's a hail damaged vehicle. Right now they're smoothing out the sides, getting everything smoothing out after putting the vinyl set on there. Next what's going to happen is it's going to go into paint. This car is particularly special because it has got a custom hood on there. So that one was hail damaged as well, which means we're going to be reordering a brand new one and installing that and making sure that all the paint matches and everything. And then this car is going to roll back to the customer looking brand new. Including that, many of the other cars from Hyundai Del Rio are being worked on. A lot of them just typical hail damage where we got to strip them down completely almost and get them back to their brand new setting as if they just rolled off the assembly line. A lot of these cars are going to be taking a lot of work because they were ones that either had a sunroof or the large moon roofs that completely shattered or were damaged, so we're replacing those and then getting all the dents and dings out of these vehicles, and then we're going to be sending them right back to Hyundai Del Rio. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. You can find all the info in our website.